How to Make Money Online 2022. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Please consult a financial advisor before making any investments. This video is not about getting rich online. The fact is that there are no shortcuts to success. But if you want to learn the best way in how to make money online in 2022, you should watch this video. I show you how it's possible to be financially independent in the future based on the current trends. This article is a complete guide to making money online in 2022. The following are the most common ways that people make money online: freelancing, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, making money on YouTube, teaching online courses, introduction, the best strategies to make money online in 2022. The internet is an ever-expanding market that has no boundaries. It is a place where you can be whoever you want to be and do whatever you want to do. If you're looking for ways to make money online, the internet is the place for you. This article will discuss some of the best strategies to make money online in 2022. How to make money online by 2022. The internet has changed the way we live. It's not just a place to buy things anymore, it's also a place where you can make money. If you want to start making money on the internet, you need to find out what people are searching for. This will give you an idea of what people are looking for on the internet and how they want to spend their money. There are many ways that you can make money online. You can sell things, do surveys, or even be paid to play video games. What you should know about 2020's marketing trends and how they affect your business. The 2020 Marketing Trends Report provides insights on the future of marketing and how it will affect your business. The report is based on data from more than 600 marketers, futurists, and executives. The report outlines the key trends that you should know about to ensure that you are not left behind in 2020. It also provides practical tips to help you adapt to these trends. Marketing and content creation in 2022. The future is coming, and it's bringing new and interesting trends with it. As we head into the next decade, we will see a shift in how marketing and content creation is done. 1. Targeted marketing. Marketers will be able to target their audience more precisely than ever before with the help of AI-powered tools. This will allow them to create more personalized messages for their customers, which will lead to higher conversion rates. 2. Personalized content. In order to be more effective, marketers need to know their customers better than ever before, which can only happen if they have access to data about them, including information about their personal preferences and what they like in terms of content. That's why AI-powered tools are going to play a huge role in this. If you liked this video, please subscribe our channel and smash the like button.